everybody, welcome back to the channel. Shayna here, and as promised, if you guys watched my color and chat, you saw part of this box, and again you're seeing part of this box because it's massive and I can't get it in the screen. But this was my book outlet haul for this month, and it is way bigger than it probably should be because I need more books, like I need a hole in the head. And yeah, but I wanted to unbox them for you guys because I don't remember what I got. I remember some, but not everything, so I thought it would be fun to just like pull them out of the box as we go. And I know there's an inventory sheet in here, but we won't look at that, or I'll try not to look at that. So this is gonna be fun. Yeah, so I was ordering and I went crazy. I think there's like 12 books in here because I got on and I was like, oh, this is new and I love this, and there's that. So, and then I like had narrowed it down and I was like, you know what, if you're gonna buy them anyway, you might as well buy them now. So I did. And here we are with this massive box. It looks like it got beat to heck in shipping. Actually, I grabbed these scissors to open it and I don't think I'm gonna need to because this end of the box is already loose. So I think I'm just gonna pull, and we're gonna go, yeah. Oh, I think that's the inventory sheet, so we won't look at that. We'll just throw that over there in the trash pile. We'll look at it at the end to make sure everything's in here, but there we go. And I'm gonna push it off to the side because I want you guys to be able to see the books, and I'm probably gonna knock a ton of stuff on the ground, but that's fine. So, let's see. Let me see. Are you zoomed out? Am I in frame? So, there goes my water bottle. It's fine. Everything's fine. So today I'm just going to show them to you guys, and then later in the week or later I see a sticker, I'm scratching it off. I will do flip throughs in 2 parts, so I'll like do 6 and 6 books probably, because, oh no, my chair on this left side of me is top heavy and it's falling. Please don't fall. All right. I put my book bag on it to get it out of the way. Well, we're off to a wonderful start. Anyway, sorry about that, friends. I didn't want it to thud because then my neighbor would think like something happened. So, let's see. Let's grab these 2 on top. So, it looks like they came from Target. But I got 2, well, I could have more in there. I'm not entirely sure. Zen Doodle coloring books. I was debating on this one, but then I was like, well, if I don't like it, I will just, put it in the giveaway. And yeah, I'm not sure that I can. Oh, that one's cute. I don't mind spiders. That's scary. If you guys like bugs, let me know down below. I don't hate bugs. There's a worm. That's cute. I don't know. We'll see. The slugs are cute. Slugs aren't bugs. Are they bugs? Are slugs bugs? I don't know. I guess, no, I wouldn't think that. I think they're a thing of their own. But there's moths. No. See, that's what I was afraid of with this book. The dragonfly is pretty. That ant's really cute. Oh, there's another moth. Sorry, friends. I don't like moths. But yeah, it's super cute. This paper is different. It's very thin. It's not what I'm used to from the Zen Doodle books. But yeah, buggies, bugs. We'll see. We'll see about that one. That's fun though. And then I had to get Unicorn Dance Party. I just thought it was so cute. Like look at them. The title was so cute. Look at them. Oh my god, I love it. I like this one already. She's roller skating. This style is different for Jeanette Wummel. It's a little less Zen Doodle-y, but again, the paper is not as thick. Oh, this is cute. This, like, I love this. As a dancer, this is adorable. Goes through. Cute. Jane Fonda. Break dancing. That is real cute. Let's see. Yeah, so we'll do full flips of these guys then, and I'll try not to cringe at the moths in the Cuddlebugs book, but yeah, so that's fun. Let's grab in here. I can't, oh, there's another Zen Doodle book. So I got this one because I love tattoos, and some of these I just bought blind, well, most of them I bought blindly, but we'll see. Oh, that's cool. Those are like mandalas. Oh no. Okay, so this is pretty. I said oh no because it goes right into the spine, and that I know I'm off center, sorry friends, is near impossible to color in, and that's frustrating. Oh wow, that's cool. These are neat. Ooh, not a fan of that page. Some of these are really cool. This will be fun to do a flip of, and there's another one that's right in the spine. And that one, that makes me sad because this is really pretty. This paper is kind of different. It's glossy almost. If you're an artist, this would be cool because you can fill in some of these things. That's neat. Yeah, okay. I like more than I don't like. That koi is pretty. Sorry, I know I said I wasn't gonna flip through. It's very hard not to. Yeah, these are neat. This paper is different. Oh wow. Yeah, so that's fun. And oh wow, there's a lot of words on there. I didn't go in the back, but I really don't. That's my one complaint so far about this book, is that it's right in the spine. Yeah, really cool. Oh, that was creepy. A lot of these are really cool. So, okay, I'm happy with that so far. Let's see what else we've got. We have, oh wow, I did get a lot of Zen Doodle books, my bad. I've been wanting this one forever, and I was debating paying full price for it, and then I saw it on there, and this is The Color by Number, Spring Awakening by Deborah Muller. They must have changed their paper. This is not like that thick, suck your soul paper, dry out your markers. This is so cute. I love these Color by Number ones. They're really fun. I don't know, I feel like Jeanette Wommel has one too. Yeah, they're really cute, and this is great for spring. So fun. I think there's the color chart in the back. Cool. Yeah, I'm excited about that. Ooh, rooster. Cool. Oh, I'm so out of frame. I'm so sorry. I need to pull my chair in. That's my problem here. But yeah, that'll be really, really fun. Let's see. All right, let's go with this one. So this one I've had on my list for a while. I did not realize it was going to be so small, and it's also broken because it's not centered. Oh my gosh, okay, I like this. These are almost, that one's okay. Mandali, this one, for some reason to me, I want to just like take watercolors and just like splatter it. These are cute. This would be a fun book to like travel with. Whoa, that's intricate. Oh no, it's breaking. I think this might have been a bargain copy, I'm not sure. I'm trying to go multiple pages, but it's hard. So yeah, these would just be fun, simple ones to like take your gel pens or fine liners. Okay, I'm not too disappointed in this. I was nervous about it. I didn't realize it was so small. That would be fun to just do like one color. Cute. I love hearts. It's like my favorite symbol. Oh, that's fun. Oh, that would be fun to do for June, for Pride Month, and do a rainbow. Oh my gosh, that would be so pretty. Yeah, okay. I like that. I wish it wasn't broken, but it's fine. I don't know what I paid for it. Something probably cheap. We'll look at the inventory sheet, like I said, at the end. And then, let's see. We have Baby Animals on Parade. Again, Jeanette Wommel, and I love her Baby Animals series. So, oh my god, look at the dragon. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, and they're all in little floats. I see. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Oh. That's so cute. Look at them. They're so proud. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. I love that. So, so cute. And let's see, I think these are gonna be fun. Cute cats. Another elephant. Oh, look at the narwhals. Oh my. So fun. I saw a fox. There's seahorses. Oh yeah, this one's really fun. I love this. That's so cute. Let's see. I'm sure there's probably 60 plus images like always. Yeah, more than 60 illustrations of baby animals marching in time. That's so cute. So I think I don't have this regular just baby animals one, but I have the rest of them. So maybe I will have to complete the collection one day. We will see. And then I grabbed this one, Morphia. Don't have this one yet. And I was like, well, I've got all the other ones. I know I haven't colored in them, but it was very cheap. So I figured, why not? This one seems a little bit thinner than the other ones. Whoa. Did I miss a page? Yeah. Not that it matters. Oh my gosh. That's cool. That would be fun to do with metallics. A lot of these are almost steampunk-ish. Oh, that's cool. That would be really fun for Halloween. I might have to flag this page. Like I said in my color and chat, I'm in the biggest Halloween mood. Alright, so this is pretty cool. Again, we'll have to judge it on it just feels like it's missing pages, which maybe it is, I'm not sure. Mythomorphia is the other one. So, yeah, we'll just have to flip through it and see. Oh, that one's in... Not World Within Worlds. Oh, what's the one with all of his books? That's cool. That's cool too. But it's in that one, the cat. So yeah, Morphia. Sorry, I hit the charging cord. All right, Words of Love to Color. I just thought this one was cute. It's got words, obviously. Those deer are adorable. That's really cute. This is again, this was like another blind buy, so this was much cuter than I thought. Did my heart love till now, forswear its sight. For I ne'er saw true beauty till this night. I was gonna say, is that Shakespeare? Oh, look at the owls. That's so cute. Lots of owls. I love owls. That's awesome. To be in love is to surpass one's self. Oscar Wilde. Cute. Swans. Okay, this one's gonna be fun. It's almost got like a Emily Lynn Hall Oberg feel to me. The wallpaper ones are okay, but this is really adorable. And I would be okay, like my mom loves carousel horses, so if I did this picture, I would be fine to cut it out, like use alcohol markers and stuff and cut it out and give it to her, because I wouldn't color that. So yeah, again, I'll do full flips of these, but this is fun. I really like the quotes. I'm a quote person. I know a lot of people aren't, but even that, like, oh, that one's cute. I might want to color that, but maybe like some of the ones that I don't care about, just cutting out, putting the quotes up. I don't know. We'll see. But they're fun. Fun times. So I'm happy with that one so far. Sorry, I keep bumping the camera. Alright, we got Geomorphia. I can't remember what Kirby books I have. This one's cool. Oh, look at speaking of snails, like earlier. That's cool. That's really pretty. Alrighty, friends, we are back. I am so sorry about that. My phone ran out of storage, so I had to go in and delete some things, and we are all good now. Or we should be. So that took it's half a second for you, but it took a little longer for me. So we will pick back up where we left off. Unfortunately, my iPad is being a jerk, and it won't connect right, and it won't record if I hook up to the iPad, so I can't really see what's going on. But hopefully I will stay in frame for you guys. I will try to use this little mark as a mark for the book. But yeah, this is where we left off, was actually right on this page with the Leo book. Hopefully I didn't swear when that happened, but we'll see. So yeah, this is just really fun little postcards. Get ready to roar, that's fun. So again, didn't pay too much for this, so can't complain. It's really cute. It's much smaller than I thought, but what's this say? Rolling House 5, The House of Pleasure. Oh, whatever. Yeah. So super cute. All the signs. I know they have books for all of the signs, so if you're interested, you can head on over there. All right, let's grab the next one. Let's take the trash out. Let's see. All right, so this one I was super duper excited about. I am so happy to have this one. Oh, I don't like when the stickers are on there, but it's fine. So this is Mythographic Animals, and I have been wanting this book forever. I saw it on Jen at Reading with Pugs, her channel, and I was like, I have to have it. And it is so detailed. It's kind of like the Kirby books, but what she did, which I really liked, was, I believe, she colored like the bear with pencils, and then she did the background with gel pens, or like the busier stuff with gel pens, which I think is really cool. So like for this one, I would color the bird and then maybe the flowers because they stand out, and then do the rest in gel pen. So I'm super excited to have this. I also, and this is by Joseph Cadenbang, but there's a whole series of these mythographic books now, which is really, really cool. Oh, that elephant's really pretty. So I can't wait to fully flip through this one and try some stuff out in here. That'll be really fun. Aw, stork with a baby, that's cute. Oh, that one's really cool. So yeah, I'm excited to have this. Yay. And yeah, just try out different things. I really like the new one that came out. I think the illustrator is Fabiana Attanasio, and it is Mythographic Paradise. That one's really cool too. The Enchanted Castles and Aquatic are not my favorite, so I doubt that I'll get those, but Animals and Paradise are right up my alley. And then we come to our last book, and this is gonna be for Christmas. Let's see, the box is kind of in the way, and I grabbed Johanna's Christmas. This has been on my wish list over there forever. And it is just so cute. Mandala-y, I mean, you know Johanna's style. Very, very cute. So, can't wait to work in this one, hopefully for Christmas. Ooh, that'll be fun to use glitter on. So yeah, it's super duper adorable. Kind of stinks that the camera cut off when it did because we were almost finished. But that's okay. Yeah, this book I'm like really excited about. So let's see, let's check the inventory sheet, wherever it may be. Make sure we've got everything. So, Baby Animals, Cuddlebugs, Phantomorphia, Geomorphia, Hearts, Johanna's Christmas, Leo, Mythographic Animals, Spring Awakening, Tattoos, Unicorn Dance Party, and Words of Love. Yep. Which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, it's 12. 12 books, which is ridiculous for me, but that's fine. So let me just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yep, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Just had to double check on that one because it didn't feel like 12 bucks. So yeah, I'll go ahead and do flip throughs for these guys as well. Might not film them tonight because that whole storage thing kind of drained me. It took a while for me to go through all that. So yeah, so there we are, and we'll just focus on that one for now, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this haul / unboxing. It was a lot of fun. I just thought it was something different to just unbox and go through the books because I couldn't remember what I had. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you all, and stay safe, stay healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and ring the bell so that you know whenever I put up a video. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.